Garage door Mike, this is hacks are us. This is why you call professionals. I've never seen anything like this. This business will never cease to amaze me. Look at this. What in the world? What is this garbage? Oh my word. This keypad. Oh my, this thing's all crooked and twisted. Look at this thing. Opener's beeping. Here's the first thing I notice. Photo eye is about, gotta be almost 2 feet off the ground. This was totally mounted awful. Opener is beeping. Look at this wire job. Belt. Oh, look at this. Here we go. Belt's a little loose. Little loosey goosey on the belt. Wonder why. I have my guess, but let's see here. Where's my flashlight? Here we go. It's gonna get dark in here. Okay. I don't know if you can see this, but that is not even connected. What in the earth is going on here? So this looks like a genie, possibly a genie rail that they somehow reused. I'm gonna have to make a part 2 when I get this thing down. This is a disgrace. Look at this board. This springboard's all cracked. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. Of course there ain't no sticker in here, because who would put their name on this? Good night. All right, let me get this door open. Total nightmare. So if it is what I think it is, which is the genie rail reused on the Chamberlain, I'm just gonna take this thing down back to the shop and do it there, because I ain't got the rail on my truck, and this is just absolutely awful. This is so bad. This is a bad one, but it'll get done right. It's beeping because it's a battery backup. Obviously you can see it's unplugged, so we're gonna get it done right. This will be, the photo eyes will be lowered, rewired. I'm just gonna start from scratch on this one, and it'll be done right. That's the only way it's getting done. I'll somehow maybe fix that keypad, and we'll go from there. This is a train wreck though, so it's gonna be at least an hour and a half. So that's that. Mike, Innovative Door, for all your garage door needs. We'll fix the hacks work and do it right, and believe you me, this could have very well been one of my competitors. I'm not going to mention any names, but I've seen our competitors do stuff like this. It's just absolutely horrid that anyone would leave a job like this. Anyway, 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com. We shall return, because this one is a disaster. Thanks for watching Hacks Are Us Part 1, and we will show you Part 2. This will all be done the right way. I'm stripping everything down and starting from scratch. That's the only thing you can do with this. Thank you for watching, and as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thank you.